liquid damage motherboard repair, cleaning, PCB damage check, and replacing a burnt resistor. Learn how to find the correct resistor value using Schematic and Boardview.
2,000 years later.
In the motherboard schematic of the liquid-damaged board, first we search for IC-PU18, then we find resistor PR394, connected to PQ69, so that's not our part. Next, PR395 and PC270 are both connected to ground. That leaves us with PR387 as the correct resistor. Resistor PR387 is marked as 499K0402 1%. The 499K means its resistance value. The 0402 shows its physical size, and the 1% indicates its tolerance. Now, I'll use a donor motherboard with both Schematic and Boardview available. In this case, I'm using NMRA271. I search for 499K in the Schematic and check which component matches. That leads me to RV92. Next, I open the Boardview to locate RV92 on the motherboard. Finally, I remove RV92 from the donor board and replace it with the faulty PR387 resistor on our liquid-damaged motherboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.